A nice restaurant, the central kitchen in a hospital, or a snack bar round the corner. Where there is cooking, there's going to be grease, odours and smoke. Besides the nuisance to others, that means a greater risk of fire as well. Euromate offers modular air filtration for every professional kitchen. The heart of the system is an electrostatic filter. A variety of different modules can be added depending on the location, size of the kitchen, and the way the food is prepared. A pre-filter captures the large particles of grease and water. Smaller particles are trapped in the next stage. The smallest particles, like smoke and soot, are removed by the electrostatic filter. The carbon filter removes odours using activated carbon. By filtering air, odours and smoke, your ventilation duct requires much less maintenance. You minimise unpleasant smells and reduce the risk of fire. Deal with grease, odours and smoke. Go to euromate.com/kitchen filtration.